Hello there, my friends. So it's Penguin Awareness Day, apparently, today. So I'm going to make a movie about penguins. Just so happens that I've gone to the zoo, and I'm going to start iMovie. I've gone to the zoo in the last, year several times and taken pictures of penguins. So I'm going to search my media, but instead of searching like way back to see what day it was I went to see the penguins, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to media. I'm going to go back from media here, and I'm going to go to albums. And I think I have one that says zoo. It's too bad these aren't in alphabetical order. They are in order of when you created them. So it looks like I have several zoos. I have zoos based on the date. So let's see what I did on April 25th. And if I can remember what order the zoo goes in, I can, okay, so giraffes. Yeah. Oh, we gotta get to the aquarium. Okay, here's the aquarium. Nope. Meerkats. Okay, aquarium. So we should be getting to penguins soon. And jellyfish. Okay, penguins were before the jellyfish. So I'm seeing. Okay, here's a penguin. Right here. Looks like got a penguin in the water there. I'm not sure about this one, but we'll pop it in there anyway, just in case. Okay, so we'll create movie. And then if I want to add more, I can go back. I can actually hit the plus. So here's the ones I got in here. So this one obviously is wrong. This is a penguin. It's swimming. This one's not. So I'm going to delete that one right away. These here, we'll have to look and see if there's any good footage here. But if I want to add more, I go to the plus sign over here, click on that, and then go back to albums again. And that was the zoo on, what was that, April 25th. Let's go to the May 25th. See if I've got some better shots of penguins or sea lions. There's the stingrays. So it should be back here beyond the jellyfish. Yep, there's some penguins right there. So we're going to add these. Now, I'd like to add multiples, but it looks like I might have to add these one at a time, which is not cool. So let's go back. But fortunately, it remembers the spot where I was, so that's at least something. So every time I hit plus, it goes back to that same album. So that's cool. All right, so it looks like that's all I got for penguins in that one. So let's go back and see if I got another zoo. There's jellyfish. I don't think I had a separate one just for penguins, which is a shame. I probably should have done that. Yeah. All right. It looks like that's all I've got in my folders. I know I have more pictures of penguins, but I'm going to go ahead and put these, and we're going to see what we got here footage-wise. Now, there's going to be some sound on some of the videos. See, these are just stills that I took that will animate. When you put a still picture into iMovie, it will animate for a bit. This doesn't look very good. I'm going to delete that. This one's kind of cool. And then you can adjust the length of these. I'm going to probably move these. This one's out of focus, so I'm going to delete that one. This one's pretty cool. That one's pretty nice. This one's kind of cute. That one's probably the one I'll start with. These guys are just cruising around. Yeah, Penguin Awareness Day. All right, this is nothing that I know. Yeah, this is just weird. Okay, so that one we're going to delete. Click on it, hit delete in the little corner there. This one I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to take these still photographs and move them. So click, hold, move down timeline. Move to the right side of the screen. They'll go further down the timeline. This one could actually be at the end. Probably. So we'll pop that one at the end. This one is cute. This one's a cute. This one's a still of that. So I think we start with letting people know it's going to be an action shots. So let's go to, yeah, let's do that. Okay, we'll go. This one will be the end because it looks like he's taking a bow. So we'll go down here, put that there. This one. All right, so let's see what we got. So we got this guy here. That's not a great picture. This here. So I'm gonna hit highlight this clip. I'm gonna hit volume down here, and I'm gonna turn down the volume because I'm gonna add music, my own personal music that I made to this. So this guy's running around. That's nice. I like that. He's eating a fish. That's cute. This one's swimming. That's pretty cool. And then he swims away. We get a nice shot of him, and then we're done. Okay, so I think I like the footage. I don't really like this guy to start. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this, delete that. We're just going to go with this. We're going to start right here. So I'm going to highlight this, hold the end here. See where it's yellow, the real thick bar at the end, and I'm going to slowly move over to focus on this guy right here. So let's start. So the camera's moving. Okay, I don't like that camera shake, so we're going to take that out and get to the point where the camera is steady. Oh, I like that better. All right, we'll start with the guy walking. Here. Yeah, let's do this. That's at the beginning. And then he's eating. That's cute. Okay, we're in good shape there. Focus on that. Now this guy's going to dissolve. So here's the transition. It's going to dissolve into this guy. Now you can hear all the little kids and the water and everything. So we're going to pause that. We're going to put the volume down on that. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I know this isn't like a full step-by-step tutorial. This is more of like a process, like watching my process and seeing how the process works. All right, so we've got our video footage and we got our still footage. See you later, babe. And now we're going to add some music. All right, so what I would normally do is I would go like this, go back, I would look for audio, and I would go to soundtracks or my music, but the problem is I don't have anything in my music. And so I need to do this another way. So I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going to back out of iMovie. And then my workaround has been that for whatever reason, when I make a song in GarageBand, I can't just directly import it into iMovie. I don't know if that's a problem, update or something like that. But I'm going to go ahead and use my, I'm going to use, let's try the dance music one, because that's kind of lively. I like this one. I just don't know if I'm going to get any copyright strikes on that, because some of those loops are pretty distinctive. Anyway, so when you pull up in Google Drive a it's a music file. Go up here to the three dots, say open in, and then it'll get ready to open the M4A file. Scroll over, go to iMovie, and then go to the project, and it has last edited at the top. And actually, I just hit the wrong thing, so hit done. And then Go back. Let's just do this one more time. Go to Drive, hit Venusian Dance Music, hit iMovie. Oh, come on. You're killing me here. I'm trying to make a video. All right. So 3 dots, open in. No? All right, let's back out of this. So when you have something like that, it freezes, just do that. And then go back to Drive. You got a fresh start. Go to Venusian Dance Music. Pause, hit the 3 dots, hit open in. Preparing to export to iMovie, and then it has the last edited project. I accidentally created a new movie, so now I'm going to go to existing projects, which is My Movie 108, and that's the one with the penguins. And now we got some dance music here. Let's see how this works. Yeah, that's kind of cool. All right, so the thing is, though, the audio track is going to cut itself out automatically. Nice, at the very end. So, okay, so that's pretty cool. What I do want to do, though, is I want to fade out at the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the gear box down here, the gear symbol, which is settings. And there's 2 things I can do. I can fade in from black, and I can fade out from black. Here's the thing with fading in from black is that when I get a thumbnail, it's going to be black, and I'm not going to know what the file is. And that's a real dilemma. If I'm looking in my movies, I'm not going to know what it is. So I almost never fade in from black as a result of that. That should be fixed, by the way. But if anybody ever updates this program, if you're a project developer and you're listening. Okay, hit done. And now it should fade out. So it fades out. Not only that, but it fades out the music. Yeah, it fades out the music. Cool. And then we'll just start. Because I like that way he comes out. And it kind of hits the music. Okay, hit done, and you're done with this project. Click on My Movie 108 and call it Happy Penguin Appreciation Day. And then hit done, and now you can export it, and you can save the video. And if you save the video, it'll export the movie to your photos, right? And then you can manipulate it from there. So you can upload it to YouTube or to your Insta or your Facebook or whatever it happens to be. All right, I hope you guys have a great day today. Smash like if this helped you at all. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Here, I'll show you real quick projects. We'll get out of this. And then go to Photos. And then go to, come on, get rid of that update. See, Apple always wants you to update everything. Okay, so here it is. It's right here in Photos. So there's our movie. And we're ready to rock and roll. All right. And you can even edit it further from there. So let's have a great day today, everyone. And like I said, if this helped you at all, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. And put it in the comments you want to see more videos of this. This is, like I said, not a step-by-step, but more of a process video. All right. Thanks. Have a great day.